Start with half a chopped up yellow onion. We got a 1/4 cup of butter in here. We're going to get it nice and sauteed in there with some minced garlic. Let's go ahead and throw the garlic in there. I do about 2 heaping teaspoons of it. And we'll get it nice and sauteed for 3 to 4 minutes. And go from there. All right, we got that nice and sauteed in there. So now we're going to add 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. What we're doing right now is we're making the sauce for our chicken spaghetti. Go ahead and get that mixed in there until it turns a nice golden brown. Once you have it at about that place, we're going to pour in slowly 2 cups of chicken broth. That'll get some of that flour also from the bottom that's been caked on the bottom a little bit off of there. So there we go. So we'll get this back to a simmer, and then we'll start with the other ingredients. All right, we got that nice and thickened up, simmering. So let's start adding in our other ingredients. Got some Italian seasoning. We'll put about a teaspoon, half a teaspoon worth in there. Gonna do some salt, and some pepper. And do a little bit more Italian seasoning actually. There we go. About a cup or so of shredded cheddar cheese. And about a cup or so worth of mozzarella in there too. And a cup's worth of heavy whipping cream. Let's get all that mixed together. You want to just kind of mix it until the cheese is all melted and it's looking nice and smooth. Let's just give it a good gentle stir. All right, we got that nice and smooth, our sauce. So now let's add in our spaghetti. We got 8 ounces of spaghetti that are already cooked. Get that mixed in there. And as well as about 1.5 pounds of cooked chicken. And then finally, some drained rotel. And then we're gonna give that a good stir to get all that mixed together. So let's go over to our baking dish. We've got a greased 13 by 9 baking dish. And we're just gonna dump this mixture into the dish. All the good stuff out of there. All right, once you have it in there, just go ahead and get it nice, smooth over the top there. All right, once you have that, we're gonna got some leftover shredded cheddar cheese that we're gonna put over the top, as well as some mozzarella. So let's get cheddar cheese and then our mozzarella to make up the difference. So once we have that on there, we've got the oven preheated to 375. We're going to put this in there for about 25 to 30 minutes, and this guy should be ready to eat. All right. Ooh, this thing is looking good. What you think, Rain?
Yeah, that looks great.
Man, oh man. All right, let's try this guy. I know you want some of this, Rain. Look at that. That is cool looking. and making some good comfort food around here. Put a little cheese, get a little of this, a little spaghetti. Folks, y'all gotta try this at home. I'm telling you, the kids will love it, the adults will love it. It's got like a smoothness. It's like just cheesy enough, but not like overbearing. Try it.